replica organ.
Yeah, chucked it with his rump at me.
A little Triumph Dolomite 1850 HL in Sandglow. Nice colour.
Same with the white one.
A nice little Roman bronze Ford Fiesta.
Originally it was scheduled for 3 PM, the refreshment hall. We're definitely going to overrun that. It might be more precise than that, but it certainly won't be as early as 3 o'clock. 4 to 1.
What a beauty is that. That's lovely. Very nice. Fantastic. What more can you say? Amazing, is that? So what year is an early one? 56. Looking at the back lights, I could see it was an early one, but didn't know what year. That's lovely, is that? Very nice indeed. What a lovely display. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you. 1300s and the Wolsey Horners. Obviously it's a Wolsey Horners Club stand. And a spy a Wolsey 6. Is it the one we saw at Trimden? I think it might be. It is, yes it is.
No, they touched up to the bottom here.
Yeah. You can see where she's solid as well. This is all. That's something you don't have to worry about.
These are long headlights. Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Oh, they're just going round and round.
Granddad, those little lights ticked off.
Yes.
Which? The little on the wheel out.
No.
Because I thought instead of it being on the wind mirror, it being right here.
Hey. Right, sorry, darling. I know you're not doing it on purpose. Definitely.
He just said to me.
What a lovely little mini Cooper with a sort of sports pack, the wide arches, all the spotlights, and it's in pearlescent Tahiti blue with a silver roof and the silver stripes, as you can see. Lovely. A Cooper Works S. That is nice, very nice. I do like a mini. Look at it pop in the sun. Wow. I like the silver leather seats and the panels. And you see the Cooper badges at the bottom of the doors. Eyebrows on the headlights. It's rare to see the MGR V8 in Oxford blue.
Dying. I'm thinking, bloody hell, this car's getting off.
That was another nice one. There's GTA. Another rare car. A little Metro GTA. Not the GTI, the GTA.
Make you look a bit tidier.
Yeah.
To 35,000 miles.
Oh well, it shows. 35,000 miles, that says a lot. What a beautiful Rover. P5B Coupe, the one to have. And it's finished in zircon blue. What a striking example. Just look at that. What a motor car. Sweeping lines of the roof. Isn't that nice? That is gorgeous.
That one there with the the one without the sunroof.
Probably can't get very good pictures of the inside, but we'll have a look and see if we can. That is lovely, isn't it? Isn't that interior gorgeous? You can't see it really.
Which one wants starting?
Now let's have a look at this striking green Lotus. That looks rather spectacular, doesn't it? I love the colour. An Elise 250 Cup. Very nice. Next, yes, in Kingfisher Blue. So this is one of the last of the X-Type, being on 2009. Nice. And a Puma. That's Bonnie, is that?
Let's say in the middle of these, like.
A race ain't now to see a marina, but let alone to see one in aqua.
The only one in the shop, by all accounts.
And it's got the reversing lights. Mine had the reversing lights like that one. And in those days you used to get two reversing lights, not like the cheapskate manufacturers now who just put one on and one fog light.
Yeah. They're asking for about to look on this. You never met it.
Take care now.
not an MG, it's a Riley Elf.